জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Why aren't you opening the door?
Draupadi, open the door.
Draupadi,
Who is
open
inside?
the door.
Who else is
Hey,
there with you?
Draupadi, why aren't you
Who's shouting
opening it?
inside?
Draupadi, open the door. Hey,
Come on,
Draupadi,
open it.
open the door.
What are you doing inside?
Draupadi,
Open
open the door. Come on. Hey,
Who else is there with
Draupadi.
you?
Draupadi,
Who
open
is
the door.
shouting?
Draupadi.
Come on,
Draupadi,
open.
listen.
Let us
Hey,
in.
Draupadi, open the door.
Draupadi.
Draupadi, listen. Can you
Draupadi.
hear us? Open the
Come
door.
on, open.
Coming.
Come on.
Open the door. What happened?
Hey, who's there inside with you? Come on, let us see.
The door. Draupadi,
Move aside.
What happened? Yes.
Hey,
Who's
there inside? Come on, check
Stand
that.
back.
We heard a girl screaming over here.
Yes, that was me. I screamed. Hot water fell on my feet while cooking. You know, I was thinking about what to do. I poured some cold water so that I don't get a blister. You guys are so nice. You're so concerned about me. All of you are really nice neighbors. You all take so much care of me. Thank you so much.
Really? The hot water fell on your feet? Then why are your clothes not wet? Don't try to outsmart us.
What do I say now? They've got vulture's eyes.
Lourdes Vishalakshi, I can't tolerate it anymore. My eyes hurt so bad. What is happening to me? There are people outside, but I am unable to call them. I can't figure out which way the door is. Lourdes, why did this happen to me? Why did this happen?
Hey, why are you silent? Tell us why your clothes are dry.
Clothes? Why would my clothes be wet? I mean, they were wet. I changed my clothes. That's why it took me a while to open the door. Go. I've managed everything now. Go now. Go. I've managed everything now. Go now.
Where did this
Who
noise
was
come from?
that? Who was that?
It came from inside, right?
Did you hear a voice? Who was that? Didn't you get him on a call? Then what will happen? Oh Lord! Oh Lord! Someone must be trying to harm us. Be with us, Lord.
Mother? Mother, have you noticed something? Sanjukta has not returned home, and nor has Vicky. Mother, I have a strong feeling that Sanjukta is behind this. Because Deepu told me on the phone that people there said Nayan was picked up by her family members. Yes, Mother. I'm sure Sanjukta and Vicky has taken Nayan somewhere. Definitely.
Were you saying something about me, Pratima?
Yes, I was. Are you done with looking for Deepu? So where did you exactly go to look for Deepu? Where Nayan went to look for him, right? So whom did you get there? Deepu or Nayan?
Why are you talking to me in that tone? Did I do anything wrong by going to look for Deepu? Why is everyone staring at me?
This is not the answer to my question, Sanjukta. Answer what has been asked.
No, we didn't find Deepu there. In fact, there was no point in going to look for Deepu. We desperately ran to search for Deepu at Nadan Park and came to know no commotion had taken place. That means someone played a prank call on Deepu.
Wasn't it insensible of them to harass people like this? So, I told Sanjukta that if we had nothing to do here, then we should probably get back home.
Yes, we thought that Deepu might have come already. And Nayan also came back after not getting Deepu. Where are they? I don't see them around.
Nayan hasn't come back. Nayan hasn't returned home, Sanjukta. Because you dragged her out of the house.
Why did Pratima say this? Did she assume something? No. We cannot let anyone guess it. No way. What rubbish are you speaking, Pratima? Have you gone mad?
No, Sanjukta. I am completely sane. And I know that I'm saying the right thing. You knew very well that Nayan would run out immediately after hearing something bad happen to Deepu. You knew it, so you did this. You did it. Tell me. Answer me. Where have you taken her? Tell me, Sanjukta. Don't stay quiet. Where is Nayan? Tell me.
Aunt Pratima, leave her. What are you doing? Pratima, leave her. Let go of her.
No, mother. I won't let go of her until she tells the truth. She'll have to tell us where she took Nayan. What did she do to her? What harm did she do to her?
No! No. This can't be true. Mom, I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you even a bit. What Aunt Pratima is saying is not entirely unbelievable. I know how many grudges you keep for Nayan. And I know how far you can go and how low you can stoop. Speak up. Mom, if you have harmed Nayan, then understand one thing very clearly. If anything happens to her, I won't spare you for being my mother from today. Tell me, Mom. Uncle Vicky, tell me where Nayan is. Speak up, please speak up!
Keep quiet. Just keep quiet. Not a word against me. Not a single word. I've heard enough. Enough. Tapa brother's injustice. Deepu's breaking of a promise. I've endured enough. Not anymore. If you accuse me of anything, give me proof. Give me proof. Evidence. And I won't hear any accusation regarding Nayan from anyone without proof. If you have to accuse me regarding Nayan or complain against me, then I need concrete proof. Is that clear to you all? Clear to you?
Tell us who's there inside. Please tell us. What are you hiding from us?
No, but tell us the truth.
Listen to me. Who will be there? No one is there. I'm the only one here. Why are you not believing me?
No,
We want to know. We are going inside.
No.
Come on, you can't stop us.
Inside.
Hey, what is happening here? Hey, what happened? Why are you in my house?
You know, they were almost robbing this place in your absence.
What? Huh?
Don't talk rubbish, Topati. Saman, we haven't come here for no reason. Go and see. Your wife has hidden someone in your room.
Hey, I was not home for a couple of days and you started it?
No.
Hey! If I see anything wrong, I'll teach you a lesson. Hey! This is our personal matter. This is my wife, we will sort it out. You all get lost. Go! Hey! Who are you hiding?
No. Believe me. I swear on your life. Trust me.
Say this all somewhere else, okay? If there was no one here, then they came to say your face.
Hey, you are taking me to task. You're not listening to me. It's not what you think. It's not like this.
Then what is it? Tell me.
There's someone in the room, but that's a golden goose. Ah.
Hey, do this drama elsewhere. What do you mean by golden goose?
Didn't I tell you about a person who can foresee the future? I met when I was in the jail.
Yeah.
Who can foresee the future? Come see yourself.
Who's there? Who came into the room? Let me go. Please let me go. I beg you. Please let me go. Let me go home. Let me go to Sir. I have to go to Sir. Please take me to the clinic. Please. What if I can never see if you don't take me to the clinic?
She can't see from her eyes. How will she see the future?
Oh, come on. No one becomes blind if dust is thrown on their eyes. She'll be fine.
You are a bigger blind than her. Didn't you snatch the jewelry from all over her body?
So you want proof? You want proof? Sanjukta, you've done so many things in these years, and they are all enough to prove how much harm you can cause to Nayan.
Don't say baseless things, Pratima. You must give proof before making an allegation against me. Keep quiet. Just keep quiet. Pratima is right. Your mask has fallen in front of us. Who else is Nayan's enemy other than you? Is it so? Isn't there anyone?
No, mother. Friend has no other enemy than you. Is there anyone? Tell us.
Keep quiet. This twist won't get through your thick head. You better leave this to your Aunt Pratima to think.
What exactly do you want to say?
Why? Don't you get it? Deepu couldn't keep the promise he made to me. For whom? That's Nayan. Deepu doesn't like to break promises, Pratima. So now, Deepu himself is against Nayan.
Oh, so out of everything, you are trying to separate Deepu and Nayan now. I will not.
It's not easy to hit me, Pratima. You have lost your reflex for your drinking. Have you lost your mind too? Without jumping too much, think about what I'm saying.
Exactly. Pratima, you, Rangana and Aunt are getting excited for no reason. Look, If Sanjukta is demanding proof from you, that means she must have proof in her hand too, right?
Exactly so. I don't say anything without proof, Pratima.
Lie. You are lying. You have no proof against Dripto and Nayan, okay? Even if you have, that's fake.
You are right, Jeet. All of your proof is forged. There is nothing left for us to know how talented you are in forging proofs. Mom, tell me one thing. If this is true that a fake call came in Deepu's name, then it's also true that Deepu came back late. If he had returned early, we would have known that the call was fake.
Yes, that's true. Just like I'm standing in front of you, and if someone calls now to say that I'm stuck in a commotion, none of you would believe it. But Dripto was late because he went to bring the idol for my friend. And that idol is in front of our eyes, right?
Oh, really? Did it take that long to bring just an idol since morning? Okay. Let me show you something then. What is the meaning of these photographs? Oh, Jeet, you must see these. You must see these. Do you know that? When I got fainted on the road, I thought Dripto would pick me up and take me to the car. Ideally, he should do that, right? But he didn't touch me at all. The people on the road, they took me to the car and handled me. Lord, I was afraid. The photographs could not be taken even at that time. The entire plan got wasted.
And then what did you do?
What else? I got the opportunity in the front of the hospital. No one was there to help Dripto Basu. So I also took advantage of that chance.
Jasmine? Jasmine! Jasmine, we've arrived at the hospital. Jasmine? Jasmine, we've reached the hospital. Jasmine! Come on, easy, easy, easy. I cannot see anyone around. Jasmine, you have to come with me, all right? Come on.
Dripto, I can't walk alone.
Jasmine!
Wonderful, wonderful. Really, your intelligence is unbeatable. Do you know what I feel? I think you'll get another chance to play. Just wait and watch.
Yes, Dad. The table has to turn. And this time, I will checkmate. Mark my words. Dripto Basu will be defeated in the game.
Nayan! Nayan, where are you? Nayan! Where do I look for her? Nayan, I am worthless. I'm really worthless. Nayan saved me so many times and I can't even find her. I promised Nayan that I would be her protective shield. I couldn't even keep my promise. I couldn't even find her out. I failed to keep my promise. Where did Nayan go? Nayan, where are you? Oh Lord. Lord, I've never felt so helpless before. Will I be able to find Nayan? Lord, please show me a way. Please guide me, Lord. I cannot find Nayan anywhere. Please show me the way, please.